Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Nari. Yes, let's see what we do today, what opportunities we find in this market. The market is splitting quite a lot today. Basically, Jay Powell went out there and said that Donald Trump is improperly pushing for interest rates cut. And I look at that video and I say, oh, Jay Powell. You how do you say a guy with big cojones, but yeah, whatever, he said whatever he had to say, and that was pretty good.
He's close to being on his way out as well, so
you'd think so. The guy's my guy.
I thought he was retiring this May.
Yes, he is, but they did adjustments for the government to not be able to cut interest rates. So they won't be able to cut interest rates forcibly.
Okay.
Because what they did is that they called, how is it called when you choose the members of earlier? They vote earlier. They called they
they stack the deck.
I don't know how, I can show you. I have the news somewhere in my phone. But that's why I say brain power over whatever you want to say. It's like, that guy is just brilliant. So but more than that, hey, the market is the market. The market will do whatever it wants to do. So hopefully we get a little bit more friendly with those news. Hopefully the things go well in the States because it's getting a little bit too much friction, I would say. But who am I to say that? So at the end, it's like, just let's do trading and let's kill it. So Mary, how are you doing this morning?
I'm doing well, Davey.
No,
something new. We've got snow.
Yeah, we have. It's minus 11, I think. Maybe now minus 10, but when I woke up, it was minus 11. I said, what? But more than that, we're good. So Zach's supposed to be jumping at some point. I have pending. What's up?
And you're good?
My friend.
How are you doing, Davey?
I'm doing very good. I try to rest correctly, so I try to sleep decently. I don't know how much I accomplished on that one, but I'm feeling good. So for sure we're gonna have to keep it going. So in the news we have 3-month build options that's coming on out at 11:30. At 12 we have quarterly gains stocks, corn and soy and wheat. So corn, soy and wheat, we have the quarterly stock gains at 12. So then Bostic is gonna have a speech at 12:30, and then Barking. Was Barking the one that no, it was Cook the one that tanked it. So Barking is at 12:45. So then at 1 o'clock we have 10 years note options. William will have a speech at 4, right at the close. So that's it for today. I would say it's a quite light day for news. But let's see how we do. Let's see what opportunities we find. So Marie, is there any ticket that you are trading from the good to go or no?
No. Right now I'm just evaluating SPY.
Mm-hmm.
And Sakidu, it seems to be very strong to the bid to the downside.
You have a line of support there? Look at my line of support on SPY.
My line of support is 68888.
Okay, look at mine.
What is your
the blue one here?
Yeah, what's
It's at 690.29.
So we're 40 cents difference.
Yeah.
So we've got a big position at that one. So we've got similar. So I've got a big position at 68880 right now. So, and we seem to have a very strong similar supports level, which were before resistance, right? So, but the position on the tape is looking that definitely would be able to be pulling from to there. That's not that far away. We are right now trading at the 200 EMA for SPY with the 50 EMA there above the VWAP, but way, as you said, way underneath the PCL. So we've got the PCL right there, which seems to be at 694.9. So there's nothing even close to that position around there on the tape right now. So we are still early. We still have 15 minutes to go, but
Yeah. Like, I told you when you came in that I have an order to go short on the. I have an order to go short on Nvidia. I'm trying to short Nvidia at the 200 moving average.
okay.
Right now, that doesn't looks like if it's going to get there. So basically, for Nvidia, the 200 moving average that I am shorting, NVDA, sorry. That short, I'm trying to get that short at around 184.48, 184.50, but it really doesn't look like if he wants to get there. So because of that, I'm gonna take a deeper look at something more, like something lower. I would like to go short on Nvidia. In my opinion, we have about roughly. We have a $10 space toward the downside. I'm not saying that we're gonna get that $10 in one shot, but any short should manifest enough juice toward the downside because we have basically, if it goes to 85, that will be optimal to short. But between 85 and 86, heavier short for me. But then, like right there, like I could probably take a little amount of shares if I want to, as long as it pop a bit. But right now, it's not looking like that, so I'm gonna have to wait because my order is way high here. So I'm gonna readjust that. That's a for sure.
Okay.
But let's see how we do. So, what about you, Marie?
So right now I'm looking at the Qs, and the Qs are doing the same thing. So might be interested.
Breaking down actually right now.
And SPY is as well. And they're both interacting right now with the VWAP. So interesting looking at the Qs and looking at interesting levels here. So what they're going to be pulling back to, the same pullback that happened, if you're looking at the wick at 804 about.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, you see that wick? Well, that pullback on the tape is that position, and it's the same for the Qs. Funny enough. So correlation, a little correlation there.
Okay, so I will be more specific with NVIDIA right now. So we have also INTC. INTC looking interesting here, but like this guy have been quite bullish lately. So right now we can see that it's still very close to the 200 moving average. So we gap down here a little bit, like just like couple cents, maybe like 30 cents, 40 cents down.
Okay.
So, but yeah, let me look at my levels and see what can we get. So, if you have anything to say, Marie, like I will be a little bit silent for a minute.
Well, right now when we're looking at the RSI, gaining.
My guy Zach, what's up? Sorry, I
No, please.
Zach, just go over it. Allô? Ça va?
Bien, vous autres?
Bien,
Très bien, très bien. C'est ça, comment est-ce que tu dis ça?
C'est
Nous
comme
sommes-
ça qu'on dit ça.
C'est ça comme son 17?
C'est ça qu'on dit.
Okay. Okay. So, I'm sorry.
No.
So, man, like, after you left, I went short on Amazon Friday. And my short was right here, like it was afternoon because I stayed home, like I went to work but like little late. So, but like yeah, like I short Amazon. That like it didn't work actually. Like I went just like sideways. Then like I took a loss there, and look, he went all the way up, but today it got down all the way down, like to whatever it was. So like it came from basically 248, 247 to 244. So But like I also had a short on Nvidia that was the best short I can get that day. But like I recuperate pretty much everything. I was red Friday,
Oh, wow.
but by a little bit, little bit. So that was a good week in general. So yeah. So sorry, Maria, I interrupt you.
Not at all.
you
not
were
at
talking
all.
about-
You're kidding me. No, I was looking at the levels that I've put down for the Qs, which is short at 55 and long at 54. Weird enough, these are the levels that are showing up on the tape. Kind of rangy when we're looking at SPY. Possible long at 680, 880, and short at 692.40.
Okay.
So we'll see what the tape's gonna do, and then we get a little bit. I'll check it out there, but these are my levels.
So I'm pretty sure that today is one of those days that, and I'm gonna say it like it's 5 minutes to get there yet. So right now it's 9:20, actually 4 minutes, almost 21. So let's watch out, guys. You will see at 9:25, you will see a big spike of volume in Nvidia. In most of the tickets, is everywhere. Like those machines just got turned on, and like I will be doubting that it doesn't get turned on today, especially because of the little friction with JPaul. But like I'm pretty sure that at 9:25 we're gonna get a spike on volume. So I will watch out for that because normally that's toward the hub side, but that will be the pop for me to go short on Nvidia. So I am trying to look at the tape for me to look for a short on Nvidia, and I only see like 185 here. 185 having 55 lot, but it's not promising. You know, it's not promising a lot. So I can probably try 183.40, and like let's take that 183.40 if I ever get there.
Wow, very low volume today.
Yeah, like when Zach asked last week, SPY was 300 before the open. Then when it opened, it went 300 at the open. Before the open, and when it opened, it went 80%. But today it's only 270. So it's even lower volume today.
I is held the VWAP of pre-market, so
Did you see your level, like my level too, like the one that we put here, the blue line from last week? I'm pretty
that's
sure.
the price.
Yeah, like the 690.24. I think it's 690.20, something like that you have.
Yeah. Yeah, it was below, and then it broke, then it held. That level should be good.
Yeah.
I'm actually gonna put an order there.
My limit order at 26.70. Oh yeah.
Zach, we have a question about Top Step. Like Marie just Marie got the setup for it already. It's just like do they have a dedicated app or is a web-based app?
The web,
It's a web-based app. Oh yeah, that's very no good. Very. But yeah, whatever. So
I didn't find anything
Yeah, she got it
else,
right.
but I wasn't sure.
That's unusual, but yeah, whatever.
it's not working bad, like, when it's not lagging.
When it's not lagging.
Yeah, because I remember you were saying that a few times. And I said that
It's
could
just-
explain why that you were.
But it was just 2 days in a row, like, it doesn't happen often, like,
Yeah, it's just that it's like, and I probably I am rusted enough to say that, but like web-based apps are not that good for handling a lot of data, so you know. But yeah, if they do it, they know what they are doing.
it's powered by TradingView, so it's
Right, guys, I have a level 4. I have a level 4 SPY at 690.87. So I think it's gonna pop there before going short.
690.
690,
87. Okay.
Yes.
There's nothing on the tape, but we still have 5.
Yeah, so it's 925. I just need to adjust this thing so yellow is gonna be good. There we go. Because I cannot see the prices I have. So yeah, like Nvidia 925. You see? Look at the volume. That's what I'm saying. That's the pop where I'm gonna be going short. So
Look at that happening again. Eh?
yeah, like it's normally when there are news, sketchy news behind.
Okay.
Like I'm gonna start loading Nvidia little by little. There we
You're
go.
long?
Sure. No. I go. Ooh la la. How many execution did I? I just pressed 1. Okay. It was a very bad execution, but hey, I got it. Yeah.
Short?
What was that?
You go short?
Yeah, I'm going short. And I was just waiting for that pop to go short because I know we are quite far from the 200 moving average in the 5 minute, but I think it's still like this thing doesn't have a lot of juice. If you see, I went short right there and it's already manifesting. But like we don't have to be too rushy because yeah, maybe there's gonna be a decent pop at the open. So, but I just went short right here. So let's see if this guy manifests or not. I should be adding more, but we're gonna be adding little by little as we see it going in our favor. So yeah.
SPY took a dump.
Yeah, apparently it doesn't have much downside from my level. Like I see right now toward the downside, I can tell you right now what I see on SPY. I see on SPY that we can go probably to 688.58, 688.58 as a downside. That will be the best case scenario for shorts. But yeah.
So I'm gonna be putting a long on the Qs.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go long on SPY too.
All right.
Long on the Qs, but I'm gonna go long on the Qs at 54.
I took my long there.
Whoa! Look at you!
So
There's gonna be a pullback before that, but
there we go.
yeah.
All right. That's a better expected. I add again to my NVDA because that's a better price. I can add a little bit more. Let's see.
So we do have
1 minute for the open.
2.
It's going up.
So this is gonna be a little bit more risky, but I'm gonna add my last chunk and let's see if I can be wrong by that much. So stop loss is on right now, so I think he doesn't have the power to go higher right now. So I'm not adding more to NVDA. I just decide to increase the risk a bit while I drop off my stop loss right away. So my stop loss is there. I know the stop loss doesn't work during pre-market, but I don't think it's gonna get there before. So let's see.
You've got what? I'm sorry? You're short right now?
I'm short NVIDIA, average price 184.13. So I think it's not able to pop like about $1 before dropping. And let's see. You guys are going long. I know we are going like it's opposite. Like Zach and Marie are going long while
yeah,
I'm going
but I'm
short.
going long after the pullback, right? So I've got SoFi long, but at 26.70. So it needs to pull back from where it is there. And I've got TQQ long as well, but it needs to pull back to get to where it's there. So
Right.
it should be short. That I'm looking at the pullback first, but we'll see. It could be that it's gonna pop.
Yeah, I may take a loss at the open, and I will be okay with that. It's just like I don't see the juice to go higher.
Okay.
So and like of
I'm
course
looking
it
at
fooled
the
me a
top
little bit there, but
volumes. Yeah, I'm looking at the top volumes right now just to check the RSI. Definitely found a whole lot of buyers. We've got 8 seconds to the open.
I'm
watch
gonna take a
out.
partial there.
Have fun,
Okay. Good luck,
everyone.
everybody. Enjoy.
Took a partial, move my stop loss a bit. Let's
Nice.
see.
Woo! Good job, Zach.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Partial again.
Oh, you are on fire. I didn't get step out by the penny, so but let's see. I might get step out very soon. There we go. I'm gonna be out of that trade probably very soon. So let's see. I am like that. Okay. It didn't help. There was a buyer at 183.80, and yeah, let's see. It's holding okay. Yeah, there we go. I came out of that trade, but I'm gonna reload it at the 200 moving average because that's what we do here, and that will be right there. So it was my mistake for going too aggressive, but yeah.
Took another partial, so I have less than a half.
Good job, Zach. Good job. Marie didn't get the loan by the penny, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
No.
Is that correct?
No. It would have to. Right now, I'm looking at my levels at shorts.
Okay.
So,
And the one that is partialing a lot and taking some money right now is Zach.
yeah.
So I took a
You know-
loss. Yeah, Zach?
You know what price I got?
No.
What?
690.21.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Wow.
like there's a little wick under my price, my line.
Little wick, a very little wick. 1 cent or something?
Something like that.
Something like that.
Let's go.
All right. So
Yeah.
Oh god, yeah, my levels are being busted right now for the short.
yeah, I'm getting a smoke. 84.50. I might be
Excellent.
able to survive that, but let's see.
Something I see is like just from last week,
Mhm.
when SPY drop a lot in the pre-market,
Mhm.
they have a tendency to go towards like to recuperate some
Mhm.
at the open,
All right.
and when it's going up, it's going down at the open to recuperate to get closer to the price that it was yesterday.
Mhm. Pretty cool stuff.
And then more in the afternoon, it does really the move that it's supposed to do based on the news. Right now it looks like it's gonna reverse. We'll see.
Yep. Preparing my short.
Ooh la la.
At the 30. There we go.
Yeah, so I took another one.
Good job, Zach.
Excellent. Okay, so I should get cues shortly for the short, and I should get my long in short, my long in SoFi. We will see.
So I
have a
have.
level.
Mhm.
I have a level at 690 to 47 on Spy. If
Okay.
it gets there, for sure I'm gonna go. I'm gonna flip.
At what price did you say?
692.47.
Man, the 200 moving average is 692.46.
200 moving average. I have a SMA. But,
Yeah, this is an SMA. In the 5 minute. Ay, ay, ay. All right, so
it looks like absorption there, so like, yeah, it looks long. For now.
so I came out of Nvidia right now. So
It's gonna pop.
yeah, I'm waiting for a SPY to be the price I wanted.
Insane. I just don't want to do like I was doing before. Like I got my long, then I flip to short, but it's still long. So I'm taking my last one. Yeah. Nice tree, nice tree.
Ay, 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 ay. I have taken 2 big losses, so let's see.
Hmm.
So Marie, what do you see? Where do you go long?
Well,
Short?
I've shorted a small position here in the Qs. I'm weighted to add to see where I'm going to be adding, if I am
place
going
my-
to be adding.
I place my order. Can fill me in.
Yeah, I see, Zach, you have your level like just got pierced by 7 cents. So that was pretty good. Pretty nice level there. SPY really just went like 692.50, and your level was at 692.47, right?
Yeah.
Right. So good.
Spy 150.
Yeah, exactly. 0.50.
Okay. I heard you did 60.
Oh, yeah, could. Yeah, could. You know, could be a break far.
Let's go fill me in.
So yeah.
Wow.
Watch out, people. There is a reason why I just have shorts today. So, like, probably I'm gonna get smoke. I don't know, but right now it's manifesting correctly. So we're gonna keep it going that way. So what is the people in the chat trading? Like, are you trading SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft? What are your trades? So INTC popping up as well. So I see
I'm the
INTC.
short.
Yeah. Oh la la! Look at you. So how does Marie say? Riding the dragon. Zach-
Yeah,
Zach,
riding
Zach
the
is going long and then it's going
dragon.
short and
Riding the dragon.
pretty nice.
See how my kids step out and up. Yes, okay. Stepping out then.
Okay, we'll see what it does there, and if that, I'm adding to the short, and I added to the short. We will see what that's going to do.
So broke my level on the upside, so
Yeah, the same for my Nvidia.
I think it's going back long.
I think it's gonna tank, but like
Only touch. Oh,
because it's like what happened is that Nvidia SPY, for example, SPY have a gap that is a little bit too big on top of it. So SPY still have like probably about $1, $1
Oh,
and
let's
40
go.
cents.
I'm gonna add one more time. Yep,
You're going
yep,
short?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Very short TQQ.
Mm-hmm.
Funny enough that you were like short at the level, like I mean, not funny enough because like just like I remember a couple minutes ago you were looking long.
Well, I told you long at 54.10,
Mm-hmm.
short at 55.20. So,
Yeah, there we go.
and woo, that I like what the tape is doing right now. We'll see. We definitely found some sellers. Let's go. Ow.
You okay?
Shoveled yesterday a beep amount of snow, and I had the biggest boots in my shoes, in my
Your
feet
feet.
possible. And guess who took a spectacular fall?
Oh, you fall.
Oh, it
Yeah,
was
yeah.
beautiful. It could have been on America's Funniest Video. But today I feel it a little bit on I fell on my left side.
Yeah, that's pretty.
I think it's going to be a Frigilicon moment shortly.
Well, if you're asking for that one, it's a big one because we know.
We know. Okay. Okay, so SPY.
So just out of prudence, you're gonna start taking partial soon because, like as I say, I took already 2 losses that, they probably were avoidable, but so I went short. Like my last trade, this trade that I have, I went short right here, and it tried to shake me out, but like it wasn't enough. So I just I don't see why this wouldn't go down, but yeah.
I don't know whether to go short again, but doesn't fill me in, the guy. Yeah, fill me in too. Yeah. I'm short.
How long? How long? Yeah. All right. So I'm not being hard-headed with this trade. You know, like I had a plan. It's just like the first trade was like very crappy, and yeah, like that trade I took here. I'm talking about the trade I took before the open. And something I see is that I didn't have a clear plan of where to go out, because like basically, hey, if we make a pre-market high, just don't stay on the trade. Pre-market high is good enough for you to say, you know what, bye bye la. So it doesn't mean that my idea was wrong completely, because like if you see, like what happened is that there is a level here, like that was one level, that green line was another one here. This pink line was not a level, but the one I short here, yes, it was. So the 186, if we go back, like let's say, I have no lines right now in this bad boy. So, but let's say we put a line at 186. and then we go in the 60-minute time frame, you will see how this was support for many days that got broken, and now I am shorting the major support, which is 186. So from experience, I can say that those supports normally doesn't get taken away in a single day. Like you see how many times it bounced from the bottom, from the top, and like now it just rejected from the bottom. So yeah, I that trade could have more downside, but we're just gonna have to wait.
I'm along from almost the top, so it's pretty good. My short time. So.
Me too. I'm short in the Qs from 55.46. And printing well. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Yeah, me too, 1 hour from now. I have it from 693 almost. And it's so satisfying when it's working both directions. I don't say it will work, but like, such good days when this happens.
Yeah.
We'll see. If it breaks my level there, at 92.50,
55.
from business.
Okay, got my SoFi. Ooh, at the bottom. I can't believe it got me. Never thought I'd get my SoFi.
You got
So
it.
Marie, on the tape, do you see, or Marie or DV, you guys see any big levels? And it could reverse fall.
A spike?
Yeah, whatever.
Check it out.
I'm looking at it. Just give me a minute.
So
I did like that directional play.
692.40 at least.
For the short? Yeah, like
Tape, there's not tons on the tape, tell you what.
yeah, like it's not looking the
There's not tons.
like I don't know why,
I-
but I see the 692.40 is like a kind of prevention. So they are building a wall around there. And my question is why when it's looking that bullish right now. So maybe it's just gonna go down toward that price.
Now
And
we
then
got
we have more information.
692.10.
So 93, there's nobody at the 693.
10 lot,
93, yeah,
nothing.
it's very thin right now, so there is not much sizes. I don't know if you are in the other stream, in the big screen one, but like you can see the tape that right now there is a big fight, but the big fight is being dominated by sellers, and but the tape is kind of thin, I will say. Yeah, Marie's laughing because she's printing pretty good on.
No,
On
I'm
SoFi?
looking, look at my SoFi.
I see. Yeah, she got the bottom of the bottom.
The bottom of the bottom.
Yeah, when you say that you can't believe you got the price, that means the bottom.
Yeah.
And you two are getting very good at that, you know, like
Getting the top of the top, getting the bottom,
bottom
of the
of the
bottom.
bottom.
Must be out the cold.
Yeah, I passed the snow blower yesterday too, but like
Oh God, yeah.
it was long to do.
Yeah, there was a lot of snow in Gatineau yesterday, right?
I was going to ask you, you guys didn't have that much snow?
We had a little bit, but we went. We came here on Saturday instead of Sunday.
Okay.
because
Okay.
of the snow.
Okay, like I don't know where, like, but in the news, like I don't know specifically the location around there, but I know it was closer to Quebec, and like they say they got 25 centimeters.
Yeah, we got some, but I guess it was in the night, you know. when we woke up, it was all pushed to the side and everything.
Nice. Do you have to
Yeah.
shovel, or you guys have a service that do that?
No, we're in a big apartment block,
So they do it, yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Let's see how Spy reacted there. My level, but checking, so. So it's stuck in between two of my range. Like it's doing a lot these days.
So I cannot.
Okay, it's gonna break one.
That's a big one there.
Yeah, it's making higher highs. But as a high I have here, like I know a possible high for a spy that I have here is 694.07. So I don't know if he's wanting to go to 694.07, but hey, it's right there.
So it got me out with the wick.
Do you guys want to do a bet? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
I say, and like, this is very speculative here. It's just a bet between Emery, Zach, and I. So, but right now, a spy. The opening price on a spy is six. Let's see, it's a little bit mixed here, but like, let's see how it makes it. Yeah, a spy open at 690.68. So 690.68. So I say that SPY is gonna be ending the day below 690.68. Do you guys believe so or not?
It's going to end the day below.
The opening price. That's a big swing, so I am putting myself under the bus in there.
I think it's gonna end in between 691 and 693.
So basically, you're saying it's gonna be above. What about you?
Below 690?
No, 690.68.
690.68?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I say below 690.
Okay, so you bust me.
I bust you.
So you and I don't have a bet because you and I are looking at the same. Like you and I have the same idea. So the bet is between me and Zach.
Okay.
All right, so let's see. What is Nvidia doing? And the chart for SPY is looking quite healthy, you know, because this is a nice push. But look how it's decelerating a bit. So
I'm seeing the same thing.
do you have any trades, Zach, no, or no?
Did you say yes?
I don't know.
Either.
Okay.
He just ignored me. That's okay. My wife ignores me all the time. And
Aw.
I can still handle it.
Oh,
Ay, ay, ay.
oh, Papa.
You know, whenever you need a bed, my parents have one free because I'm not there.
Ay, my guy.
Oh, that's funny.
Or you can open the trunk of your car and I can sleep there. I'm a dog, you know, it doesn't matter.
Oh, you're funny.
Like that, I can say, oh, I sleep with the style.
Steve style. Okay, so when we're looking at the sector map, we're looking at something that's very, very mixed. But we do have a whole lot of red. So financial is completely red. We've got the technology sector. We've got Microsoft that's flat. A little bit of strength there with PLTR. We have AVGO that's probably one of the strongest there at 1.47 up. We've got NVIDIA almost flat, 0.32, AMD, and MU. So we've got Apple that's and Google, Meta, Tesla, Amazon. We're all under 1% down, but still red, of course. So yeah, it's a little bit of a mix here.
Something we don't know if we don't trade futures is like right now the price is having trouble to break the 7,000. Big level on the futures.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tape is
Like,
strongly flipping to the bullish. Wow. Completely. Okay, so we've got hands on the wheel, fingers on the buttons here.
Did anybody took a look at the VIX today?
I thought it was low.
Look at that.
Yeah, I thought it was low. But I didn't think it was deep.
Yeah, wait for it. Like, look at a bigger time frame. Like, just go probably 5 minutes, or just zoom out. Did you see how much it gap up over during the weekend?
Yeah,
So it gap up to
almost 2.2 and a quarter.
16.6, and then it dropped. So that's.
Because of Trump things.
Did you see what Jay Powell say? No.
Have you seen what Trump say about Greenland?
Yeah, I see it. Like he had a meeting,
That's it.
closed door, that they're gonna take. Yeah.
That's a NATO member. So
We got Colombia. You know, anything that has a little bit of a value. What the heck happened to SoFi?
If you say that, that means he broke the bottom.
Yeah, I'm up. Keeps breaking
Yeah,
the
she got
bottom there.
this entry right here. That's her price before, and you broke down.
Mhm. You break that, you're bye-bye, my guy. we'll see where we're going to see you again.
Babaila.
We're gonna see you again somewhere else.
So
You got
Nvidia,
the short one so far?
I had the long one so far.
she got the long, yeah, but it didn't work.
But I got the long at 26.68. So it's still dipping. So the next one is 26. We're not gonna touch it until it gets to there, and then we'll see.
I'm debating if I want to be out of Google because I say I didn't have the best price for my Google. So and yeah, like it's looking funny, you know.
Ah.
Yeah, SPY is it's easing up a bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, some decent volume came in right there. So
I didn't know that Trump has launched an investigation on Jerome Powell.
oh, is that I'm gonna mute myself just to show you. The guys put it on the chat yesterday, and that's what I had. That's what I was talking about at the open. It's just that it wasn't clear enough. My bad. So yeah, Trump have an investigation against the Fed or Jerome Powell, and it's related to the buildings. Renovations and things like that. So, like a couple things related to infrastructure. So, and J. Paul clearly replied to him, and that's where I say that hey, J. Paul have big cojones because, like, basically he's saying that like, in the reply that it doesn't matter. He's not cutting interest rates based in political pressure. He will just keep doing his job as he have been doing it.
Okay.
So, and yeah, I'm gonna show you right now. So,
Okay, no, you didn't talk about
Yeah.
the pressure
So
or
just
that he was.
Big pull down. Why? You're getting the voice better and better, my guy.
Good one.
All right. So yeah,
Wow. Good for him. Well spoken.
yeah. It's sad, but you know, it's
It is sad.
Yeah. Where are we going with that?
meet me on the other side.
I got a Spanish class this session.
What?
Yeah, my guy.
Show off.
You're gonna have to help me.
Oh, that's good. I can help you.
Oh, he's very good to help. He gives us option.
Oh, I do.
Yeah, because apparently I speak like a European. And then you correct me to say, hey, yes, they'll understand, but
Examen de compréhension orale. Examen expression orale. Examen compréhension y expression écrita.
oh, it's escrita. It's not escrita, isn't it escrita?
Look at you.
Yeah.
Trabalho individual oral.
Oh,
Trabalho es travail.
trabajo sí. Es trabajo. So des travaux individuels. Oh, you're going to be surrounded by people speaking Spanish, so you won't be able to talk about us. And Davey's really practicing his French as well.
Oh, we. What is it? It's Spotify is being very pushy.
Oh,
Like I say to it, I want to do it a little bit intense, and it's like, right. Let's take that lost right away. Yeah, close the position. Yeah, that, and I want to short that price again. No, that doesn't work.
a little bit of consolidation there, right? Boy. Come on.
I think I'm done for today. I'm gonna keep it green.
How many hours are you up?
I was up 3.5 and I lost 2. I'm up 1.5.
Okay.
A little bit. I'm aiming for 2.5 maybe, but a little bit.
Right, you're right.
Good to start the week. But, usually I start on Monday. It's I lose my heat, but I recuperate.
Mm-hmm.
But my long from the beginning, pretty good.
I just noticed that like Nvidia, what it bounced today, Yeah, Nvidia bounced today from a little bit below the POC. So, but it did pierce the POC by 61 cents. So this might be a bigger trade. So I'm just gonna stay put there. I have not much pressure. So yeah, if Nvidia lost the POC, it's gonna get way more juicy toward the downside. But yeah, let's see what it does. I just decided to take a look at the levels like that. I can see clearly what I'm wanting to do.
Okay.
So I think I have a
What's
decent
there?
price.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, it should be going down.
Mm-hmm.
But like, let's see how we do.
On the account, I'm aiming for a 70% win rate.
Wow. I think it's
Okay.
60 that they're looking at.
60.
I thought it was 60 that I read. They're looking
Alright.
for a consistency of 60.
Maybe, yeah. Yes, I'm almost there. I'm 57. The last weeks it has been like 72. 72. Good. So when are you guys gonna start the challenge?
Maria, ready? Like,
Well, I started, like, I'm already registered, all that good stuff, you know, read up on the risk and all that.
But you didn't pay it.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
she-
God,
she
yeah, I'm
have-
full in.
I
Oh,
can
yes,
tell
yes,
she
yes,
have
yes,
the
yes,
account. Like I
Oh,
was.
no, I've got the account, I've got the combine, I chose my risk, I chose, you know, what I wanted to, so I took standard. So,
Like, I was going to ask you, like, why do you decide to not take a trade today? Because every day count.
yeah, I know, I just didn't, like I told you, I
Okay.
didn't know how to do it, so, and we didn't have time
like,
before.
yeah, no,
But
for
like,
sure. But
like
okay,
maybe after we'll
yeah,
be able
right
to
after the
talk
stream,
about
we're
that.
gonna do that.
No, that's the only reason.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm ready to go, but
Perfecto.
I wasn't able to find the information that I was looking
Like
for.
I would say, you
and I
go one
needed
contract
to
until you know how
Mm.
to press everything. You just go one contract.
Exactly, I think that makes sense.
Yeah, like me too. I was kind of lost at first, but
Yeah.
then
And I tried to look for some information. Like I literally spent, if I didn't spend 12 hours on this weekend, it was quite intense.
And what was your question?
I think she didn't have any question. It was more like
Yeah,
when
it's
she
more-
came in here,
Mm-hmm.
I was saying that it was weird that it was a web base, but I didn't know actually. Did you have any question? I didn't know if you had any questions.
Yeah, well, it's more some like out to with the minis and the. I just need some. Yeah, I've got some question. Doesn't
Mhm.
necessarily need to be on here, like, but
Yeah, for sure.
After.
And I have to go at 11 though today, so.
Okay, tomorrow's another day too, but.
But I'm able to help her with
Yeah,
a lot
I
of
think
things
that
because I
you've got it already.
I mean, I didn't have a stop step, but I have some information.
Oh, you didn't do your registration.
No, I didn't do it.
Oh.
No, yeah, it's my bad, but like I will do it.
But like the difference between micro and mini is 10 times. The mini is 10 times the micro.
Mm-hmm.
Micro.
Exactly. So from what I read, we're able to take 5 minis and 50 micros.
Yeah.
Correct? And yeah.
With that position size, you can blow your account in like 5 minutes. So.
Like
But if
50
you
micro
set-
is like it's a couple cents below, and you are down $1,000. So like.
Wow. So I also read, like obviously all the rules that are behind it, and I set my risk and my profit targets as well, so that because it seems to be very important that it's below 50%. So because if it's above 50%, then my risks, they're going to increase my targets. So that's important as well. So I did that. I did my risk management. I made sure that my profit targets were going to be below 50 for every day. And I did a lot of the homework. But
Man, if you my guy to scalp the way you do with 50 contract, that would be so nice. No, because you are good at scalping, you know?
yeah.
Yeah, like now you have so much buying power that you can.
Which it could be interesting, right?
Yeah.
Because the issue is that yes, I might be good at scalping to a certain extent, but what the issue is that when you scalp and you've got a small range, it's very difficult to then say, hey, you know what, I'm going to take a partial. So when you've got a smaller account, but when you've got buying powers, you're definitely able to see it. Oh, there's a trend there. The secondary trend on.
Like you can trade little fluctuation or just make a shit ton.
Mm-hmm. So it's going to be interesting. But for me, like, I'm looking at my screen, that's all there, and there's nothing to tell me any levels. Like, I'm looking at a candle, I'm looking at the basic, so I want to add some indicators, and I wasn't able to find where to add. Maybe I ran out of time.
No,
I might have just been tired and I couldn't
You don't
find
have a
them.
lot of indicator in there. That's what people complain about most of the time.
Okay. So
but
I'm
then-
like, God, where am I getting my indicators? And as well, where am I getting my like the volumes?
Yeah, like if you go on, are you on top?
No, she's
No. I'm not there yet.
I have a question for you, Zach.
But if you go, I can tell you.
Yeah, but like it says, she doesn't have trading view. Oh, yeah, she is on it. Okay, yeah, she
No,
is.
that's what they use as trading view.
Yeah, I see.
On the.
I see, yeah.
Mhm.
So, Mary,
Like-
were you at your indicator? Zach, you tell her which one. I'm gonna show her the icon. You
Okay,
go here.
Oh, in minuto. I need to get
It's the
into.
F. It's the FX.
Yeah, it's the FX.
Yeah, I'm in the X. Okay, I'm in the X now. I wanted to confirm that. Okay, so tell me now with your
Where you
finger.
say FX, like the formula,
Low
Like-
FX on the top.
right here. This one.
Oh, see?
Yeah, you click in there and then you add the indicator that Zach is gonna give you.
Yeah, like you can add a
Oh,
volume.
the moving average! Oh my god! The VWAP! Wait!
You have a RSI. Like you have the basics, but you don't have the custom one. Like
Okay.
you can have on the trading view. Like I cannot have the footprint candle because it's fake.
RSI! Oh god,
cannot
I love
have
my
the-
RSI. Oh, you're stochastic.
I don't have the volume profile, so I have to have another chart.
So you have your own trading view plus this one.
Mm-hmm. So this one I only use it to enter.
And you
I
told
might need
me,
to get another screen.
You told me you have like a bracket that you can say like, don't allow me to lose more than this per trade.
Yeah, so to put bracket, you
Yeah.
see in your order window,
Mm-hmm.
it's a bracket position bracket, and you click manage bracket on the little setting button.
Okay, wait a minute. I've only-
So a lot of the time you will have the time and sell hiding the bottom of the order window.
Okay, because I thought I set a bracket.
So when I activate the bracket, Zach, does it get me in the tray with the stop loss already on it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so in my order window,
So you see position bracket. Above buy and sell.
oh yes, it's enabled.
Yeah, but now you click on settings on the right,
Uh-huh.
and then you can
Yeah,
set
I
the
already
risk.
set it.
Okay.
Yeah, 100 to 2. Now, but is that's another question that I've got. Is this a like that's the bracket, but is this partials or this is
I only put risk for me, so profit is not there.
the what? I'm sorry.
I only put the risk. I didn't put the profit on that.
Okay. Why?
So because I'm taking
Get
my
you
profit manually.
It will get you out completely.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. Okay, perfect. Thank you. That's what I thought too. Is I wasn't sure if it was a every time that it's two get me out at one, but every time there's two take a partial. But that's not
I think
it.
it gets you out. Yeah.
Okay, gets you out. So okay, so I switched it to just 100. And I
let's say
did
you have
put
a
a
limit.
max loss as well of 500.
Per day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So at 500, so technically it allows me to take 5 losses of a risk of 100, but after that it locks me out.
Mhm. So yeah, with the bracket, you're gonna, let's say you put a limit, you won't see your stop loss, but when it's gonna touch your limit, your stop loss is gonna go $100 loss.
Do you guys have an account that you can trade without the rules? Like, did they provide you with an account that you can blue off whenever you want?
No,
No? Okay.
You've got to practice one.
That's what I mean, a practice one. Like, that is not your, like, let's say, the account that you have to follow the rules. Like that you cannot lose $1,000 per day.
Yeah, the combine.
You have that?
I don't have another.
You don't have
I don't have
another?
another.
Okay, they say that you're able, from what I read as well, is that because
the guy said
you've
the
got
same
the coach T that
Mhm.
we're able to take some coaching with, and he's suggesting practicing in the our practice account.
Yeah, the idea will be to get used to the
Mhm.
interface before you get into the real thing.
Yeah, and then if you go on, that's really useful. On the left, you see trading, and then trader up in the bottom.
On the left, you see.
The little candles, that's for trading, and the little people is for trader up.
No.
Like below top step X, the logo.
Okay, yeah, those. Yeah.
So the second one,
Mm-hmm.
Trader Hub. Click on that.
That's the first one. The second is right below, yeah.
Thank you, David.
So you have the economics event, and you have the market news on the side. So the news are in real time, and the event are.
Oh, I love that. Thank you, Zach.
So that's freaking useful. So that's where, like on the market news, that's where I saw the video of, like they posted the video of Trump talking.
Okay.
You see,
Wow.
you
And
see
you've
Apple
got the
picked Google
NVIDIA
Gemini to
news
run.
in detail. Oh, wow. Very nice.
Hmm. And then the third one, the third icon on the left,
Mm-hmm.
is your stats. Sure.
Yes, that I saw, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
But you've got that, then you've got the TV, and there's where I set my risk of $500 and liquidate and block, and I set my personal daily profit target of $12.50 to make sure I don't go over 500, so that they increase my profit from 3,000 up.
Yeah, I don't have to do that because I never get that much. But
For me, you never know, right? So it could definitely be that I would go. So now that you're there, let me go there. So to place an order, Davey, you know how to place an order?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's just a logo.
Hmm?
And
When
you
you're
have
clicking there, it's just a logo.
I don't know if you saw, you have hotkeys too. If you're used to using hotkeys.
Yeah, I saw that you're able to program hotkeys.
Yeah.
But,
Guys, did you look at Google?
Oh,
wow.
You didn't look at Google.
But
Ooh!
on the Trader Hub, I see why. Apple picks Google Gemini to run AI-powered Siri for the next year.
Oi!
I'm glad I didn't came out of it.
No kidding! Good job, Davey.
How long? How long?
So you were
I
saying
have an idea for that thing, but like, yeah, keep talking.
that it has trouble. So right now I'm looking at it in the 5. It crossed the 7,000 though.
Yeah. Went to 7,002.75.
Mm-hmm.
I saw the price was having trouble there.
Okay.
Zach, have you ever tried Nvidia? No, Nvidia, Apple. Did you ever took a swing on Apple? No.
No.
Okay.
You know, I really was about, like, not about, but like, when you enter Google, I
Mhm.
really consider it. But, yeah. Like, the thing is, my money is locked in Aurora.
Aurora, yeah.
NERP.
Which are not bad either, but
Like, NERP, I really wanted to come back to break-even.
Can we take a second?
Yeah,
Or
for
we
sure.
don't need to take it. I just need to
okay.
come back.
Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Yeah, like today is not the day for that news, but at least we know people like it because it popped nice. I'm talking about Google. So the fact that it popped the way it did, now maybe it's gonna alleviate the seller. There is a seller that is dumping big chunks of Google here and there. So I could probably sell Google already because it's very close to my target. And if I do sell
to your target?
341.
41?
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't it 33 then?
Yeah, 334. But like to get to 341 is like remember I got it at 14, 15,
15?
15. Yeah, so it's roughly 60%, 70% of the target. So I can be just because what happened is that right now the reason why you hear me saying should I sell Google is because I am expecting a swank. So it's a word that I invent, I guess. So but I am expecting the market to bleed like decently for a couple of days, and like if I am in Google, I won't be able to buy Apple. So I want to liquidate Google to be able to buy Apple because I'm already making decent money on Google, while I even know that I don't have the best price on Google. So if I get out of Google, I am able to get the best price on Apple because it's very close to, in my opinion. So, and yeah. Paulo. Yeah, I'm gonna commit myself to have my top step before Friday. Good job, Marie, in meeting my commitment that I didn't. Like, because we say it for Monday and like I had things
Well,
to do.
I really focused because you gave me that challenge.
Yeah, no, but like it's like it's a good thing, you know, because like I know you're gonna be day trading it more than me, but that's a good thing to do, you know. It's like yeah, it's just
So,
sometimes I'm a bit lazy.
yeah, you're lazy. Oh, see, that definitely defines you. That's funny. Ah. Come on, man. Okay, so Zach, if I would like to take a micro right now,
Okay.
I have it here. Like, what is the micro that you wanna trade? Is for Nasdaq or is for SPY?
what is this?
That's a SPY, but like that's not the one you want.
So that's ES you have?
I've got ESH.
26.
So ES is a mini. So you go MES.
Yeah,
That's
like
micro.
I have it here, Marie. That's why I say like,
Eh?
is this one that one that you want?
Okay.
It's
so-
MES1.
MES.
1 exclamation. This one.
It's not the same as in trading view, you know.
Ah, okay.
No.
Okay.
So what I've got
It's
here,
just MES.
it's MES H26.
Mine is just MES. Slash. You know,
Eh?
mine is just MES in the search symbol. So
MES. Okay.
E
It says, okay, for me, it says MES H26 micro S&P.
yeah, that's good.
That has to be it.
Okay.
So and then you make sure you're okay. Yeah, it's a H26 too,
Okay.
because you're
Okay.
looking at your order. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And then from there you can select your number of number of contract to enter with the market limit.
So what's the difference? Like one contract is one micro contract represents what?
100 shares. So
So if I
Yeah.
take one,
it's the equivalent of taking 100 shares of a SPY.
okay, and the bid, because here, how do I place it now?
No, like now it's already set up. you just press buy and it will go long. If you press sell, it
So
will
I
go
can't
short.
put a number.
Yes, you can do
Yeah,
that
you can
if you
put
want.
limit on order type.
Yeah, it's in the
Limit
center.
and it's like a stock, but
Limit.
leverage.
Ah, okay. There you go. Thank you. That's what I wasn't able to figure out. Okay.
But like if you take just one, like with my position, like let's say it depends when you put your where you put your stop loss and everything.
Mm-hmm.
But when I take one, I'm risking like $33 to like $40. Like my position are a lot of the time the stop loss is the same fit on my strategy.
Okay. So
I don't have to calculate the number of share, I just know.
but one contract is 100 share.
hmm
But it's too little for what you want to do. But it's just like one contract at the beginning is just for you to get familiar with.
hmm Like for me, I'm trading with 5 to 10 contracts.
Order filled.
Me. It's funny. It has voice.
Am I able to? I'm not able to add.
Yes, you can add
Yes.
whatever you want. The partialing. Yeah, sorry, my bad.
If you want to add with limit, you just stay in limit order, and you put your price, and then you put the number you want to add. And it's gonna add.
But how? So I can. So I should have more shares. Than one.
Yeah, but like the one is for you to know how much it multiply every time that you are like right now. What happened is that you are very used to a stock. Like my comment, whatever comment I make, is related to that. In this thing, like let's say 50 contracts, it's like literally thousands of a dollar per like this.
Or take.
So, like, here you won't be able to partial if you only have one contract. If you want a partial, is like you whatever amount of contract you have. If it's 10, you can partial 2 contracts, but it have to be the whole contract. That yeah. From there it's like right now, what is it moving? Like what? Like $4, $5 probably, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and if you
The
do
same as a stock share.
But
Just
how do
leverage.
you partial?
Like let's say you have 5, now you have 1. You cannot partial with 1.
Yeah, okay. So you would sell one contract.
yeah,
Yeah.
the same that in does.
You would
Okay.
put market like market sell or limit order sell. of
Like
1.
you can have it like let's say imagine that you have 10 contracts. Like if you have just one here, every time that you press, it's gonna remove one. Every time that you press, it's gonna remove one.
At a limit price.
If you say limit, but if you say market, it's market, whatever you prefer.
If it's market, it's right now.
Mhm.
But if it's limit, it's going to be. Okay, nice. Thank
And the
you.
What I was
commissions is
doing
a
is,
ridiculous
like,
thing.
I was
Like
in
the
a
commission is
position
like 30 cents.
At every price that I see, I could reverse. I was putting a limit sell. So I had a bunch of line, and every time it touched, one contract out, one contract out, contract out. Good.
Kind of cool.
Whee!
Like the hardest thing to understand is just the position sizing, and then like, after that it's exactly like stocks.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But that bracketing is amazing because like you will be able to really abuse it if you want to, like because basically in there you have buying power that is quite big when with those contracts, and like if you decide to abuse it, basically you only have to say like what is the maximum I want per trade, and then you don't care how much like you buy your maximum, you're getting out in a dam like that. So that's why like for scalping, like I probably gonna buy two accounts to do one scalp just to test it, just to test if that work or not. Like, and the other, well, the way is like let's have the whole move. So
Like something it doesn't do it doesn't calculate your buys like DAS is doing.
You what?
It doesn't calculate how much contract for your stop loss to be at one point, like DAS is doing.
no, yeah, you just wait one hit the number, it just go out.
So you have to put the number first. Then when it touch, it puts your stop loss like at the risk you said.
Hmm.
And what I do is I move my stop loss where I want it to be for real.
All right.
And sometimes it's like a risk less than what I was supposed to. So I just had whatever I need to have.
And what happened when you go above, like I probably you haven't went there yet, but like let's say if you make more than $1,500, it still count, but it only count as 1,500.
Yeah, like what's happening is like if you make 2,000,
Mm-hmm.
they put your target 500 higher.
So that's why I've put my limit profit at 1250.
That's it. Like the 500 profit, it doesn't do anything. Like the 500 profit more than 1,500. So you made 2,000, it doesn't. Like you should be out rather than so good.
Order filled.
Oh. I heard a order fill.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness.
So which side did you went?
I went short.
200 contracts.
No. You're funny.
200 mini.
Yeah.
Boom, you already have 1,500.
You will see. I don't think you're gonna like. I don't know. Like right now, that thing is freaking cool because it won't allow her to lose more. Like sometimes, myself included, sometimes we take losses bigger than what we want because of the way we MacGyver those trades.
Mm-hmm.
But the fact that this thing is not allowing her to lose more than that, you probably will be surprised. Let's let her be, but like she's quite fast on that one.
One sec, guys, I'm coming back.
Thank you.
Well, I see you adding. You have to see this lady adding things too. Good coffee, Mary. Good coffee.
Yeah. You made the coffee.
If you want.
Yeah, too good of a coffee. It's all gone.
Hey. Yeah. As a commitment for me, it's gonna be Friday. Like I won't use it Friday, but by Friday I'm gonna have it ready for sure.
Nice.
This weekend is a little bit too busy for me, so
Oh,
if I leave it for the weekend, it's for sure I won't be able to do it.
you got a busy weekend?
Oh yeah, this weekend is gonna be colorful. So
Oh, look at you.
hello, how are you doing? You are from Nigeria. A young trader, nice. Pretty nice. What are you trading actually? Are you trading stocks or are you trading ETF?
Future.
Hello to you, my guy or girl. Nice to have you there.
So SPY is really interacting with the 50 EMA in the 1 minute here. Holy cannoli.
Yeah, if you lose that top, that's the top you're shorting, right?
Correct. Correct. So we're shorting the top there. So
Your time frame in there is too big, like, or it's a 1 minute. It doesn't look like a 1 minute.
no, that was a 30 minute. I wanted to see the top, you're right. So I'm looking at there, but good eye. Yeah, so I had it in the 2 and I varied between 2 and 5. But the 30 was because Zach said that the 7,000 was a top.
Mm-hmm.
But then when I looked at SPY, I said, no, 7,000 couldn't have been a top. But it was a top today.
Do you know
But
that
it
you are
was
able to have
720.
all your screen?
In there? No.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to work on that.
And like the one screen, you can split it in as many. Like I think the maximum is like 6. But like just in that one screen, you can be looking at 6 tickets at the same time. So
Oh, me gusta.
it's very cool stuff.
Oh, yay. Between you and Zach, I'll be set up in no time.
Yeah. I will try to dedicate one of my monitors to that one. Probably it's gonna be this bad boy because I don't look at it much. I only look at my Google here that I have, but more than that, I don't look at it. So Google had a good news this morning, as Zach was saying.
Absolutely.
The only thing here is that, like, yes, we saw the pop here, how this bad boy just went all the way up to 334. But the downside of this move is like the market is not cooperating today. Marie, Zach, and I have a bet going on where I say that this thing is gonna, like a SPY, I say it's gonna be closing below the opening today. That's my expectations. So we don't know if that's gonna happen or not for real, but like we will see. So, but Google is letting me know, yes, we have good buying, but we also have a heavy selling going on. So we have been seeing that seller from very long ago. Like if you see, every day, like when Google pop, the seller just stop the price from going higher. Sorry. Yeah, like let's say then if you are doing good on that thing, like you can open as many accounts as you want, and you link all of them, and all of them trade the same trade that you take. You just mirror them.
I saw that copying
Yeah,
trades.
That's
Yeah,
really
when
nice,
I
actually.
read that, they said, yeah, you're able to just go tick, 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 tick.
Yeah, you copy
You
all your
know-
accounts and tuk. You
Yeah.
are paying like $50 per account per month, just to add another 50K.
Correct.
And it's like, so
Yeah, they were saying that that was a possibility of copying or. Yeah, there's a lot of things that they're able to do.
yeah.
Like I said, like I haven't studied like this or in as deep as I've been doing this weekend in a long time. It was fun.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah, It was. It was nice to be. You know, I don't know how to say it better than I'm saying it now, but it's maybe not as accurate, but to really start on the right foot. To try to, anyways.
Yeah, for sure. When you get there, I want a Porsche 2017 RS
No problema.
911, please.
You want one, Zach?
I think he's not there. I think he said he have to go away for a little bit.
I think he. Oh, okay. I thought he was said 11.
Yeah, but yeah, temporarily he said he was going to be out. So I'm gonna drop off a line here for my Nvidia because there is a price that is looking like weird. Like that price is 183.76. This is Google. So Nvidia, there we go. So that's a POC. So let's see how it does. It's funny because it bounced in the POC so good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But it pierced
Where
this
do you
morning.
see the POC in your? Oh, that's where you see it on that.
Yeah. And the POC basically is the point of control.
Control,
So where it has the highest volume execution. So, and what happened normally is that once it break, it appeared like, that's why it's called the point of control, because it's supposed to bounce from there clean, because the biggest volume was executed there. So, but yeah, it can change from day to day. So, like this is a POC that moved higher. Before it was at 179.20, something like that,
Okay.
and now it's at 184. So we can expect that if the POC let it go, then you see how like there is a big gap in volume here, though it is at the highest. It's gonna be choppy there, but if we trade below that, then the shorts are in control because the volume starts just decreasing as a holding volume. SPY is trying to go higher, so this is a very slow trade, but in order to survive the whole move, I have to be able to be patient. I don't think this can go higher for a lot, especially when you reject the 186, which was a previous level of support, now clearly acting as a level of resistance. So for Nvidia at 186, so we shorted from that will be higher. So from here, so we went short right here. So let's see. Maybe in the best case scenario, you can go to the VWAP. Very congested tape.
Mm-hmm. So does it need to stay there to get me out, or?
Watch me.
My range was activated. Did it get deactivated?
He's taking a bigger loss than the one you say?
Yeah. 100 risk. $100. And that's, yeah, close. But it was above that. So it went to 103.
Okay.
Weird, eh?
Like sometimes there is like a time enforcement, like basically you say
Yeah,
like,
for the minute.
yeah, like you have to
or-
last 3 seconds or 1 second.
Yeah, that's what I
so,
was
and
saying.
sometimes it just go there by a millisecond. So like, I don't know which was the case for you, but like yeah. You see Apple. This is the price I want to buy Apple.
Okay.
259 is right there. I had that line there for like weeks, and like, but that means I'm gonna have to go out of Google if I want to buy it now.
Mm.
So I actually pierced it by a bit today.
So it's past it now. So why did it do that?
I'm gonna ask the guys. Let's see. Actually, Zach, when Zach come back, he can get back to you.
So if I want to get out completely,
You can just press the X in the chart. You press X and it will liquidate.
and here is just one.
One, or you can put the total amount you have. How many you have now?
Got 3.
So if you change the quantity to 3,
Hmm.
Hello, hello.
hello, hello.
Sorry, my mom was calling me, so I have to go. We're going to Costco today, so.
Okay,
Have fun.
have a good one, my guy.
See you tomorrow.
1.5 hour on the day, so it's almost flat. But
Yeah, it's a
Good
good day, my
job.
guy. That's a good job.
let's see how it goes for
Absolutely.
the rest of the week.
Thanks for your help today. I'll have more
No problem.
questions tomorrow.
Yes, I'm here to answer them.
Thank you.
Yeah, take
Enjoy,
care.
my guy. See you there.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
I'm just gonna share with the guys, like, if you don't mind.
Holy cannoli. Switch to water. So what is that bracket?
Oh, let me ask you guys.
Because position bracket activated. Wait a minute, wait a minute. No, it's $1. I thought, is it a tick? But no, it's $1. Take profit and stop loss are at the same price, functioning as a single bracket. Multiple. Oh, it's because I added. It's because I added to my trade view.
It say it there?
Yeah. When I went in, it said that a multiple entry and exit orders are not supported on position brackets.
Okay.
So that's what it was. So.
So I don't ask it then.
No, thank you. Read the fine print, lady. Read the fine print.
But like, you know where my light came on when that works? When Zach said that works last week?
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember the time that I was trading with 15 cents risk? That I was taking a trade and if he moved 15 cents against me, I was out.
Mm-hmm.
So the reason why I stopped doing that is because this thing doesn't allow me to do that efficiently. So sometimes even if I have the stop loss that is just 15 cents, I will take a bigger loss. So, or if I do any mistakes, I will take a bigger loss. So, and if I use the software to manage that, it will block the actual. Like for example, I can say to the software, whenever that happens, just get me out right there. So,
Okay.
but like when it does that, it block the stock. So whatever stock that I do a mistake,
Correct.
but yours doesn't block it.
Yeah, mine that not on the bracket here. Where it does block it is let me show you.
If you get the maximum loss of the day,
Yeah, so personal. No, I've got a personal daily loss limit as well.
okay?
So which is $500, and my personal daily profit is $1,250.
Okay.
So, but per trade, it's 100, and it's liquidate in block. And my stop loss, it's trailing stop loss on unrealized gain. So it's a trailing, but it's a trailing stop loss on unrealized gain. So instead on realized gain. So every time that I'm gonna go to a top, it's going to stop it from $100 from there, from the top, because it's a trailing one.
Okay. Cool.
But what happens is because I added,
So you're gonna have to define what is the number of contracts you want to get all the time in with, and then you just get the same amount all the time.
and not add between, or
Nice.
only add if I take profit, right? So if I take profit and I'm lost, and I think that reloading would be a good thing, but
SPY is trying to make a higher high again.
mhm.
So go SPY. SPY is looking bullish, like quite bullish right now. So I may lose that bet. Oh, la 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 la.
What do you see on SPY, Davey?
I can tell you right now. I think I had a upper line. Yeah, look at SPY. It's right now at my level. Why the line is not? Oh no, that's the PCL. Wait for yeah, SPY is grinding up higher and higher prices. So right now, yeah, all-time high, probably. And the all-time high that I can see here is roughly 695.34, something like that. Though, like SPY haven't been able to cross the PCL. So
I
like
see that there, right?
the PCL is roughly $1 from the all-time high, about, or maybe a little bit less, more. Sorry. But yeah. Did you see those?
No.
No.
Oh, you guys, did you have fun?
Go
That I
this
saw.
way. This way.
Okay, I'm gonna close that. Yeah, 695. Yeah,
Order filled.
there we go. Oh my god.
It was a cool activity, but I think it was too small.
It wasn't?
Yeah, like where they have the butterflies, like it's very small. TQQ is trading in a nice relative higher volume today.
Okay, those were not real butterflies in their hair, right?
No, no, no.
Okay, okay. They're so cute.
That's Vladdy just getting them for the occasion.
I love it. What beautiful butterflies. Did you have
Yeah.
some land on you?
No, no, no.
No. No. Hmm. I am interested in again buying
Order filled. Are you kidding me right now?
What happened?
Is he copying you?
Probably. I wish him good luck.
Good luck for sure. You wish him good luck. He needs it.
What are we looking for? look at the volume on SPY. Very nice volume there.
Mm-hmm. Agreed.
I'm gonna take a quick look at Nvidia, just for me to decide if I want to be just all out or what. No, I don't want to be out.
DV,
Yes, sir.
I'm hungry.
Hey. Nice.
Is it? Oh, you're tired.
A bit, yeah.
Mm.
It's too early for me yet. But I'm eating less, like a lot less. So I'm actually not hungry at all. So it's
Oh, wow.
like you say that, it's like if you were in my head because I'm thinking I don't want to eat lunch right now. So like
Wow.
I already have more than a week that I don't eat supper,
Mm.
and it feels quite good, you know.
Yes.
The only thing is like Saturday we game, like I couldn't sleep, so I game until like 3 a.m.
Oh, wow.
It was fun for sure. I played with a lot of people and like, but yeah. There we go. Swankagging. I know that word doesn't exist, I guess, but it's I like how it sounds. Swank.
You swanked?
Yeah, I think call like. What are you going, short or long?
Long right now. It's a scalp trade to 7. We'll see what it's going to do at the top there. Which the top
How many contracts are you playing with?
5.
5.
Yeah.
Nice.
So 5. It should be a higher high. We'll see. Brr. Hmm. We definitely have. We had a pullback on the RSI, but then it seemed to have. The PCL seems to have some volume. Do I see the same do you see the same volume, Davey, at the PCL?
For a spy, let me see. Yeah, there is a lot of volume, but it's spread out everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And then I see like a 693.60. Like the 693.60 is trying to have better volume,
Okay.
but let's see.
Okay, could be reversing. Is that me or?
To me, it looks like a short from there. I'm sorry, so
Yeah.
I didn't want to
No.
make you feel
Makes
that it was a
sense.
short. So, but especially because SPY is trading quite close to the 50 moving average. So right now it pierced it a bit more. So if we go below, probably it's gonna go back to the VWAP.
Okay.
pierces by quite a lot right now, the 50 moving average. So let's see if he's wanting to bounce back.
So you've got the simple.
Mhm.
The simple in 5?
Yeah.
Did you want to wrap it up, Davey?
Yeah, let's start doing that. So basically, right now I'm red. So, but I have not much stress for that red print there because I believe these have to keep going down at some point.
Okay.
So Nvidia, not just Nvidia, I actually think it's SPY too. But yeah, like I did a imprudency at the open, and more than the imprudency, I MacGyvered I treat it very bad. So I went short right before the market opened, and I add, and then I just let it go. Like, boop. So I took a loss here. This green dot here is me coming out of this short. I shouldn't let it go that far. I should be out about half of that, like right here. So
Okay.
then I shorted again here, like kind of shorting the 200 moving average, and then I catch another loss right here. So and then I really it was at my price. So that's that. This is the correct trade because that was the level. So I short the level, and what a surprise, that one worked. So it went all the way down. I didn't partial. I add here, and this is the one I see. Like I am breaking even on that trade. I have no risk on that trade. It pop a little bit here, so I add a little bit more here, and right now I am just waiting for it to manifest. For sure, we're gonna have to wait for a SPY to really let it go, because SPY is the one that is a little bit too bullish for me to be looking short. But I have a lot of conviction, so we have nice profit from last week. So I kind of, that's why I say I'm not too concerned about the red print today. But yeah, I definitely did poorly from the open. So, but yeah, like it's better just to skip this big move unless you have the right direction. So, but yeah, that's it for me. I only trade Nvidia today. I wanted to trade INTC, but like, yeah, I'm glad I didn't touch it because look how
yeah.
choppy it behaved.
Mm-hmm.
And in my swing, I have a Google that is doing fantastic today, like especially with that news that Apple is gonna use their AI. So that's very good. So Marie, what did you trade actually?
Okay, so I only trade True. Remember, I had an order in for
TQQ?
SoFi.
SoFi, yeah.
Yeah, SoFi and TQQ. So SoFi, my order in
Oh, I
SoFi.
remember you getting it right here.
Yeah,
She got
so
in right
when I
here.
got in SoFi, I got the order at 26.70 in SoFi, and it
Right
pulled
there.
back to 26.20.
Yeah.
So that was crazy, and it popped at 26.20 very nicely.
Yeah.
So, but I said I was going to come back to it for 26.20, but
Yeah,
I
then you
didn't. I
played
got a
top
little
step.
bit. I got a little bit. My focus went elsewhere. So then I got a short on the Qs Okay, so my short on the cubes was 55.45. I added on the pop and I still have it, so it went a little bit too far for me. But it could be kept for overnight for that one. I'm still in the trade for short.
Very nice pop actually from the TQQ.
Yeah, but it was short, right? So
Yeah.
and with my, I am now long
On SPY.
on SPY, so we'll see how that's going to go. In
Oh, nice. I see she have this
nice
price on
top
SPY.
step, yeah.
Nice.
So
All right.
we'll see.
So yeah, that's it for today, and thank you for being there. Thank you everybody for joining us. Yeah, let's see how we keep doing. In general, we are doing good, trading wise. So let's just keep the good job, and let's see where we got to. So yeah, that's it for today. We trade every day, and like I know somebody's out there, so I in case that you don't know, we trade from 9, like the channel is live from 9 to 11:30. So we are here every morning, and yeah, thank you for showing up, and nice. Have a good day, everybody. See you then. Bye.
Bye.